What's up, Jabo here, and today we have a new video and it comes from Rich the Kid. Now this is some very crazy news, bro. Everybody's talking about it right now, where Rich the Kid posted a photo on his Instagram where he's in a hospital bed and a lot of people are freaking out. Did something happen to him? Did he get shot? Was it a car accident? But TMZ did come through with the information on what really happened, and it says here, Rich the Kid hospitalized after getting robbed in home invasion. And it says here, Rich the Kid was attacked and robbed at gunpoint in Los Angeles, and the beatdown was so severe it landed him in the hospital. Sources close to the rapper tell us he was at his girlfriend's house Thursday night when two masked men entered demanding cash and jewelry. We're told Rich tried to fight them off and that 3 more men came into the home brandishing guns, man. Damn. Also, it says here, our sources say the men beat on Rich the Kid and got away with a significant amount of money and jewelry. We're confirmed the rapper was admitted to a hospital for treatment. A photo of him in a hospital bed popped up on his IG page this morning. We're told the cops were called after the attack, but we're yet to confirm a report was taken with any law enforcement agencies. Sources close to Rich's team say they believe the attack was an inside job. Now, a lot of people are saying that he got set up by his girlfriend, but it does say here, our sources say Tori was also hospitalized for injuries sustained during the attack, but was discharged Friday morning. Okay, so pretty much she also was affected as well in this home invasion. Now, they are still investigating this entire crime, and a lot of people are so quick to say, oh, it was probably Lil Uzi Vert. We know that he had a whole situation a few weeks ago where he was running down the street from Lil Uzi Vert, man, and people were making a whole meme about it, the fucking plug run or whatever they were saying. It was just a bunch of crazy stuff. And that is it for this video. Rich the Kid is right now in the hospital after being beat down in a home invasion, and they are still investigating. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, I'm out.
This that hoodie weather, boy, you better not be scared. Tino lacking that all 10, how your gun be prepared. I took my gun everywhere right under my club. And if you got a problem, I'll change you like a spell.